Hello friends, how are you? We are here again with a new recipe. We can make cake without oven. So let's see the process. We take 2 cup of flour, powder milk 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, then we filter that. After filter, it will look like this. 4 eggs, 2 cup of sugar, then we stir it. We stir it until it mixes. We give some salt to taste and we stir it until it get thicky. The batter will come glossy. Now we add some weight of flour. Half cup of oil. We will use 2 cup of oil. On little basis we use some of weight and some of oil and mix it again. Mix until it gets thicky. Stir until all the flour bubble go away. All the wheels bubble will go. And we put some oil. There is a 1 cup of oil. Now we mix it. Now we pour some weight or flour and mix it. Stir it until it gets mixed. Well, mixing is a hard process. Constantly mixing like this, your hand will get pain. Better to use blender. Be conscious about that. Constantly mixing and stirring like this. The batter will come smooth and glossy. Now put oil and rest of the flour and stir it until it gets mixed. All the flour of 2 cups. In this cake I added 4 pieces of eggs, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of soybean oil, 2 teaspoons of powdered milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, little bit of salt to taste. We stir it until it gets mixes. Then we mix some cocoa powder. First of all we take some of the batter in a cup, then mix 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix it in a cup. You better mix it like this, or you can use blender. Well, it is not needed. Cocoa powder mixing is ready. Now rub oil on a pot. Place a paper on the pot so the cake doesn't get sticky with the pan. Then I put the batter. After getting the batter surrounded well, then I give some cocoa powder mixing batter. I put the cocoa powder mixing batter like this, so the design will come in a new shape for the cake. Do like this. Now place the batter top of the cocoa powder mixing batter and cover it. And again I put the cocoa powder mixing batter on top of this white batter. Rest of the batter will go top of the cocoa powder mixed. I cover well, and rest of the cocoa powder I garnish like this. You can make it now. For the design I am making like this. After all, I placed on a burner and cover it with a cover. The burner will be like this, low heat. We place it for half an hour, but it takes more than half an hour. It takes us 2 hours to get the cake ready. Now we take out the cake as it is. The cake is out from the pan. We take the paper. Here is the cake, so nice and beautiful. We cut the cake. We'll show you how spongy it is. I am taking a piece of a cake so you will see how it is. It is too hot. This is so spongy. So this cake you can make by yourself. It is a very easy process to make the cake. Let's see the inside of the cake. We take another piece. So there is another one. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, put a like on the video and share to your friend. Thank you for watching.